Hi, Stephanie Lafazanos here, and I'd like to invite you to an online women's Tao Tantric Arts symposium happening this weekend, June 26th, 27th, and 28th. I'll just quickly tell you about a couple of workshops that I am going to be teaching. I'm teaching two workshops. One is called Shameless, Releasing Sexual Shame in 5 Steps. And in this workshop, you will learn how sexual shame manifests unhealthily in your lifestyle, your body, your health, and your relationships. You'll learn 5 steps for becoming shamelessly alive and free in your sexuality, how to move from feeling shut down, numb, and closed off to feeling ecstatic, pleasure, and connected. The top 4 Tao Tantric practices that address and heal sexual shame, and how to feel whole and at home in your body and sex and worthy of pleasure and ecstasy. So that will be on the first day, and I'll post a link for you so that you can get all the registration information and all the times. That'll be on the 26th. And then the second workshop I'm teaching is called Self-Pleasure Rituals, Essential Ingredients. So in this workshop, you'll learn the 4 keys to bliss, sensual movements that warm up your passion. You'll learn how to tell the difference between low and high vibration, sexual vibrations to ensure you are playing with your highest vibrations and sharing your highest vibrations with others. Advanced jade egg tips and tricks to turn on and activate the G-spot. How to incorporate your whole body in pleasure, not just your genitals, and the art of self-teasing. So again, I'm looking forward to seeing you this weekend. It's going to be June 26th, 27th, and 28th, and just look below for the ticket information. Thanks, and I hope to see you there. There's going to be lots of workshops from women who've graduated from Tao Tantric Arts over the last, close to 10 years, and also from all of our teachers. So we'll see you there.